Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can update your Janitor.AI app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So here, all you need to do is first of all open your web catalog app in your MacBook or any of your PC. Then simply go in the updates option. So once you press on the updates option, you can find the apps which needs to be updated. So for example, you can see that in Crunchyroll you can find the update button, so it means that it needs to get updated. However, if you go in the app section and search for the Janitor.AI app, you can simply tap on it and see that no updates are available. So to update your Janitor.AI app, you need to simply press on the update button if it was available like in Crunchyroll app. So this is how you update Janitor.AI. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.